Bismillah ar-Rahman ar-Rahim. This presentation show is for grade 7. This is about emails and how we communicate with each others. Now we will solve the paper for June 2007. He says prepare an email message to be sent to. So here we are going to compose a new message. So we go to compose message first, and in the line of 2 we type the email address he gives us, which is design.h@cie.org.uk. This is the 2 lines. This is the email address we are going to send this message to, which contains the subject line June 2007. This is the subject line. We are going to type in it June 2007. We will follow only the instructions. The body text of the message should include your name. So this is the space or the blank area for the body text of the message. We will type our name, then he says your center number. This is for grade 10, of course. We will type the word center number only. Then in the next line, only with pressing enter, I will type candidate number. Then he says the text, please send the instructions that I need. In a new line I will type please send the instructions that I need. Till here I finished my body text. He says send this message. I will press on send. I am only following the instructions. You should receive the instructions that you need within an email reply. So I will refresh my inbox just for 2 minutes to get my reply from the Hot House Design website. Maybe it will take 1 minute. Here I got my reply. He says read the reply, so I have to open it only by click on the email to open it. He said read the reply to your message and follow the instructions. In the reply already we can see this is the icon for the attachment. We can see that our reply contains 2 files as attachments. So he says attached to this email are files called j7stuff.csv and j7stock.csv. You must save these files so that you can use them later. So the first command or order in our reply is to download or to save these both attachment. So only what I have to do is click on the attachment icon to download all. He will give me some scanning for viruses. If it's all green, it's okay. I will press continue. Then he will give us maybe many ways of saving. Here I have to open it. Maybe he will give you in another way a window for save, open and close. These both I have to select them and make extract to folder. It's better to make it to desktop and press OK. Now it's already saved in my desktop. Maybe in another computers it will bring for you only the window for open, save and cancel or close, so you have to press only save and save it to your folder in the desktop. The second order in the reply, he says search the Hothouse website for the file j7review.rtf, which must be downloaded and saved for later use. So we have to open this link only by opening new tab and write the URL hothouse-design.co.uk. It's a search website just like Google. We are going to search for the file j7review. I will take it copy, and here I will press on the icon for the search. He will open to me another page for the search. I will paste my file name, or I can type it, but I have to type it correctly so the result will be correct, and press go. He will search for the file for a minute, and then he will give us the URL for the file. This is the URL for the file. Here I have to press on the URL to bring this page, which already gives me the file name, the size, and now I'm ready to save it. He says in question 2, the URL which you will need is www.hothouse-design.uk. I have to make what? I have to download it. So only he says to save the files to your document, right click on the file name, link, and choose save link. So I have to press on the link itself, not in any other place. Right click, save link as, or save target as, or maybe I can just double click on it and it will be opened. I can save it from here, or I can right click, save link as, then go to desktop and save my link and press save. Now if he wants a screenshot that already I searched for the file and I'm ready to use it, in this page, not in the page for the URL, in this page I have to press on the button for print screen from my computer, then go to Paint program, and just press paste. This is the screenshot. I have to save it on my desktop in my folder, the folder I created to save all my files, and I will make screenshot 1. This is only if he asks me to make a screenshot or to print a screenshot as an evidence that already I searched for the file and I'm ready to save it. If he didn't mention any, you will not make this step. After this he says prepare an email message. So I finished the 2 orders. I downloaded my attachment, I searched for my file, and I save it. After this he says prepare an email message, so it will be a new email message. So I will go compose message again. To be sent to design.h@cie.org.uk. So I will type only design. It's already saved in my email. Copy to. Copy to, it means a carbon copy. This is the line for carbon copy. Copy to hans.en@cie. So I will type, and it's important to type the email as it is, if it's capital or it's small, because it's like an ID for a person. en@cie.org, it's already saved in mine. With a blind carbon copy to other.n cie.org.uk. This is hide BCC. Maybe you will not find this line. You will find it like this. You will find only two, then CC and the subject line. So all what we have to do is to press on add PCC to show the PCC line or the blind carbon copy line, and type only the email address he gives us, other and at cie.org.uk with the subject line ICT Corex. ICT Corex. The body text of the message should include your name, so I will type again my name, then your center number. I will type the word center number, then another line by pressing enter. Your candidate number, I will type candidate number, and the text. Here is the requested file.